What's going on? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Apex Vision TV. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, blah blah blah. We finally invested in Apex on the sim racing side. I got a new chassis, guys. I did want to show the unboxing stuff before I go into the review and everything, but chassis is super important, man. Show you guys right now. So as you guys can see here, we went with the GTO Omega Prime Lite. 3 boxes plus this extra accessory right here, which may have misunderstood with the pictures, but we're gonna see how she does and kind of go from there. Came in 3 boxes. Originally was supposed to get delivered on the 6th. It came on Thursday the 2nd, which is absolutely a win. So that's 3 days before it was supposed to be here. So I'm not going to put together the thing on camera or speed it up or anything like that, but this is just me being excited about something. We'll see how this pedal mount does. I would like to be able to take the base plate off of these sprints I got over here. Granted, I don't think I have the right screws on here for this, but I would love to be able to just take these and directly mount them, which is what I thought I ordered from them. But we'll get through it and figure it out. It'll be nice to have these officially mounted. No more sprint pedal plate box. We'll see how we do with room here. Still got the R9. Ready to get back to racing, man. So I did want to show you guys how nice and packed it is. Got these, all of these, 2 slots. And everything kind of lines in with the pedal plate. Got this real nice GT Omega. So let's go ahead and get started. Pedal plate is 100 times thicker than my old one. And again, I have this on top of it. So no flex zone, so I can really focus on my driving. Stay tuned. So we're making progress, man. Not super hard. Just make sure where you close off any spot, you don't need slots in there, or you might have to take it apart, move it back around. But got our vertical strakes, got our pedal deck, which, I mean, it is what it is at this point. But my next rig, I'm definitely gonna do invert. I got this extra piece, so I may as well use it, make it as strong as possible. But I feel like this is strong enough to stand up on. And I'm a 3 pedal type of dude, so we get in there, man. All right, guys, progress update. Excuse the mess, I'm in the middle of getting this figured out, but that's where she's gonna sit at. I just gotta get the monitor stand back in place, get my chair situated, and we'll be all good to roll. But I got the basic part together, so I should pound it out, let's get done. So I have this pedal add-on. They sent me the pictures are a little confusing on their website, but this is where the wheel goes. This is, I mean, I'll probably keep this just to strengthen the pedal plate, but yeah, I mean, so far so good. This might actually allow me to just mount them directly on, which will be a whole lot better than. Yeah, let me check this out real quick. We're making progress, guys. All right, guys. It is Sunday night, next day after the cruise. I realized that I didn't show where the chassis was at. I just recorded what I recorded. Then I'm out in Jerome. But anyway, I'm pretty sure this is all gonna need to go forward a couple inches. But and don't be the cable police either. You know, I got stuff I gotta reorganize. But we'll see what seat I decide on. I got the monitor nice and close. Shout out to Moza for the QR. Easy pop on and off. Can't do it with one hand. Oh, maybe I can. Yep. Super easy. Anyway, I'm just updating iRacing and AMS. So, man, stay tuned. We're gonna get back at it. Probably order my seat later this week. And stay tuned, cause yeah, I'm hyped. Install wasn't too bad, but did want to show it real quick. Stay tuned for the next episode. Man, what's going on, guys? Good morning. We are on a cruise today. Probably just gonna make it a vlog between the rig and this, but we are on a cruise today up in Jerome right now. By far the most fun I've had with that car. The last time we did the cruise, one, it was snow everywhere, which didn't look like Arizona. We got the in-house B. In-house B.
Where at, bitch? Run it. Oh, hell no. Oh, my shit. Get him.
Da-da-da-da-da. Sheesh.
My shoes are fucked.
Got me in the cold out here, man. But two, it just wasn't the same. Like, obviously a lot's changed since then. I got the daily now, know how to drive stick, and it just felt good. The heel toe rev match coming on down. I got caught behind a truck for a little bit. Truck got off the way, let me over, beat them by. But good time, man. FRS, A4, M4, B40. Drop top stuff.
4,000 RPM.
So we are in Jerome. I always joke because I'm like, I didn't know there was a city named after a black man. But it's a tiny little town that's nice and high up. And we got, and that shit was so much fun, man. AZ has its moments, guys. AZ has its moments for sure. All right, man. We are getting. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. I think Matt's sneaking in. I'm being chased by a stranger. I'm being chased by a stranger. Help me! Help me! Help me, please! Help me, please! Anyway, what'd you think of the cruise, Matt?
This is so much fun.
So much fun.
My brakes on fire twice.
Yeah, that was a good time.
Good, bro.
Anyway, so we're getting ready to end the episode here. Hope you guys like the rig and the drive. Just gonna make one vlog. Fuck it. But we had a good episode, man. Good time.
Thank you for tuning in to ApexVision.tv, where we take the 340 and fuck it up. And we'll see you next time.
And it was
Stay subscribed, stay pretty, and stay hard, and stay BMW boys for life. got Audi boy right here.
Yeah! Anyway.
Downpipe and the tune versus the world.
Anyways, man, had a good time. The most fun I've had in my car. And it's fun because it's like you just do the daily freeway home, but then you remind you what type of car you have when you get to do stuff like that. We took Jerome 89A. I was like, all right, I'm still kind of chill. I'm like, damn, I keep bogging. Second gear, third gear, rev matching. Fun time, man. We're gonna end the episode here. Avex out.